Let's look at the question and answers of the poem Maguvina More, which is in Siri Kannada grade 5 part 2 textbook. So these are the questions. Let's look at them. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಕೆಳಗಿನ means what is there below, given below. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು is questions and ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ means answer. Answer the below questions. That is the meaning of this instruction. Now let's look at the first question. ಯಾವುದು ಉರಿಯಲಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾರಲಿಲ್ಲ? What is that which did not glow? ಉರಿಯಲಿಲ್ಲ means did not glow. And ಆರಲಿಲ್ಲ means which did not get extinguished or it did not get put off. So what is that which did not glow nor did it go off? So it is the life's lamp. So Bala Hanate. Hanate means lamp and Bala means lives. Life's lamp did not glow nor did it get extinguished. So Bala Hanate. So instead of Yavudu, you have to tell it as Bala Hanate. Uriyalilla Aralilla. Second question. Yavudu Mulugalilla Telalilla. Yavudu means what? Mulugu means sink. Mulugalilla means not sink. What is that which did not sink? And Telalilla. Telu means to float. What is that which did not sink and which did not float? So it is the life's boat. So Bala Nave. Nave means boat and Bala is life. Life's boat did not sink nor did it float. So Bala Nave Mulugalilla Telalilla. Then let's look at the third question. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು? ಯಾವುದನ್ನು is what? ನಾವು is we. ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ in God. ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು should pray. ಬೇಡು is pray. ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳು means to pray. ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು means should pray. What is that thing we should pray in God? ಇರುವಿಗೊಂದು ಗುರಿಯ ತೋರು ಎಂದು ನಾವು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಇರುವಿಗೊಂದು means to live. ಗುರಿ means aim. ತೋರು means show. So we have to pray in God, please show aim for me to live in this world. So the answer is, instead of yavudannu, we have to tell it as iruvigondu guriya toru endu. Then ನಾವು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಏನೆಂದು ಹಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು? ನಾವು means we. ಏನೆಂದು is what? ಹಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು should sing. ಹಾಡು is ಹಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳು means sing. ಹಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು means should sing. So what should we sing? ಬದುಕಿಗೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ತೋರು ಎಂದು ನಾವು ಹಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಬದುಕು means life. ಅರ್ಥ means meaning. And toru means show. So we have to pray God or we have to sing. Please show me a meaning for life. ಬದುಕಿಗೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ತೋರು ಎಂದು ನಾವು ಹಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. Then ಸಿದ್ದಯ್ಯ ಪುರಾಣಿಕ ಅವರ ಕಾವ್ಯನಾಮ ಯಾವುದು? So Siddhaya Puranika is the poet of this poem. He has a pen name. This poet has a pen name. So the question is, what? Yavudu means what? Kavyanama is pen name. What is the pen name of the poet Siddhaya Puranika? So the answer is Siddhaya Puranika avara Kavyanama Kavyananda. Kavyananda is the pen name of the poet. So these are all the question and answers of the poem Maguvina More.